Hey, we're back, cleaned up. Here's the tradition. Grouper cheeks. What do you think?
After a successful grouper outing, you have to keep tradition.
Cut.
After a successful outing with that big personal best gag, we're going to follow up with Canal Life Traditions here, and we are going to do grouper cheeks and bourbon.
Look at this.
So, oh my goodness.
So we're gonna dust these with a little bit of
Chef Paul Prudhomme's Redfish magic.
good. You had it memorized because I was reading the thing. I don't have my glasses on or whatever. We're gonna cook these up with a little bit of peanut oil, and I'm gonna finish off a little bit of butter at the very end. All right, and then the key part of this tradition is we gotta wash it down with some good bourbon, and I got a Weller 12-year from my whiskey mentor, Scott. And so Scott, thanks for this. We're gonna crack this with some grouper cheeks.
I've never had a 12-year, so I'm just as excited for this as I am for the grouper.
Well, let's change that right now. There's nothing in this tradition saying you can't have a little taste before.
Cleanse the palate.
And that's not a Wisconsin style pour. I think Scott would be disappointed with that.
This is kind of heck of a nose.
You
Excited.
you ever want a nice pour of whiskey? Go to a Wisconsin bowling alley. Little tip. That's a little whiskey insider tip. Cheers. Cheers.
That is nice.
Yep, that's gonna go good with the
Yep,
cheeks.
that'll work.
Let's get cooking. All right, let's rock. Life's better when you're cooking fish.
Yes, sir. Moment of truth.
Let's see how we did. All right, well, cheers. Thanks for catching such a nice fish. Got big cheeks.
Let's try this.
Give it a shovel. Now, there's no sauce for this for a reason.
Perfection. Why would you change perfection
Why
with
would
a
you
sauce?
sauce it up? It's a great tradition.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, man.
So good.
You can cheek a smaller one, and we do. This is the biggest one.
That's incredible.
Got a little bit of butter at the end.
I find grouper to be butterier than that.
Interesting. Yeah.
More buttery than snappers, but either way, fantastic.
I don't know how we started doing this, but I'm glad we did. All right, well, if you got this far, may as well hit the like button.
Like and subscribe. That makes my belly and my heart and my head happy.
We got fillets, we got more bourbon.
Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, we're back, we're all cleaned up. And here is the tradition. Grouper cheeks. Look at those babies.
Thank God.
You don't like it?
Well, you were fumbling. It was like
Why not? But I can cut the fumble.
5 seconds a day.
All right, let me put them like that so I can grab them.
Yeah, there we go.
All right, Jeff says cut. That's why I shoot by myself mostly. Go put your hand normal. Act like a normal person. It's just a camera, Jeff.
Oh God, I got the giggles.